Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. In today's vid, I'm going to show you a really good way of how you can practice your setups in like a real-time environment. Okay, it's a really good training tool. I use this as part of my mentorship program, all right? And obviously people do a lot of back testing, but with price action, it's difficult to back test. So this is like back trading with price action. All right, so stay with me to the end of the vid, guys, and I'll explain exactly what I mean. All right, so let's just get stuck into it. So you will need this. You will need this replay button on TradingView. Yeah, this is important. Okay, and I'm just going to randomly pick a pair, right? So I'm going to close my eyes and just go up and down here. Right, I'm just randomly picking one. There you go. Right, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. Okay, so that was randomly picked. I didn't peep. Okay, and then we're going to scroll out, right? And then we're going to use this replay bar thing. Yeah, you can see it appear on my screen. And I'm just going to go back somewhere in history randomly and click it. Okay, and here I am. Right, and now you can back trade in real time. All right, and what I will do first of all is just play the daily bars, basically, guys. All right, play the daily bars, look for a setup on the daily first of all. So let's do that. All right, and we're just going to play it along at a slow pace. So let me play it along at this pace. And just look at each candle and if you want to trade it. So what am I seeing here? Yeah, we just do our analysis as usual, but we can get some feedback straight away. So I would say this is in an uptrend. Yeah, come back down, but we're at potential support here. So no trade for me. All right, so we'll just play it along a candle. Okay, if I had to trade this, right, yeah, this could potentially be a trade. Yeah, because as I said, we were in a downtrend. Yeah, and then we're in an uptrend now. Yeah, we're getting higher lows, higher highs. Yeah, and then we've got a nice bullish candle. Okay, so, okay, potentially we've got a trade on our hands. Admittedly, I don't have a lot of room to move into, but I would aim for this 8,350 level. You know, I like a psychological level. All right, so this is what I'd aim for, and we've got a good daily setup. All right. Now, as you know, guys, you know how I trade. Once I see this, I can then go down to the lower time frames and find a setup. Okay, so let's do that now. All right. And this is what I mean. You're going to get real-time feedback. I don't know what happened on Monday, the 10th of April, 23. I've got a good memory, but not that good. I'm not an elephant, although my ears are growing. Anyway, so now we go down to the H4. And remember, guys, I'm just looking for entries now. Okay, so I put my gray zones in. I can clearly see there's a gray zone through here. Yeah, something like this. We can clearly see the price has reacted here, 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 and we've broken out of this. Okay, so potentially we could have entered on this candle, guys. All right, but I'm going to wait for a bit of a retrace. All right, maybe we don't get it, maybe it shoots off. All right, but that's what I'm seeing on the H4. And I'm also seeing higher highs on the H4. So this is supporting my daily view. Yeah, this makes sense to me, this trade. But let's get more information. This is what I do, guys, every morning. Once the day gives me a setup, I'll then look on the H4 and H1. So now we have a bit of a zone within a zone, because on the H1, you can clearly see there's this level through here. All right, so on the H1, you can see all these levels through here, and we're clearly in an uptrend. So I really like this trade, guys. Yeah, we're in a daily uptrend, and I didn't just pick this. This was random. You saw me close my eyes. This has, appeared quite nicely. H4 uptrend, and we're in a H1 uptrend. Yeah, we like this a lot. So let's see if we get a bit of a retrace, and then we can start buying. To be honest with you guys, I like this setup that much that I may have just entered on this H4, yeah, put my stop below this swing low and look to take price back up to here. A little bit under 1:1, yeah, a little bit, but that trade I would have took, yeah, and took price back up to this grey zone here. All right, but let's now play it along to see if we get the retrace. Okay, so let's do that on the H1. All right, so let's play this along now. Okay, so we've been given a couple of bullish reactions at our grey zone. All right, let's take a look at the H4 at this point. Okay, sorry, let's go back to the H4. Yeah, okay, I'm happy to buy this. Again, the risk to reward will be a little bit skewed, right? So I will enter here, yeah, put my stop below here and look to take price here. If not, up to here, give it a little bit more room to move into because of this risk to reward. And I will build the trade. If it does come back a little bit more, I will add to this position. But this will be my first entry here. All right. And like I say, guys, this is like trading for real time, but you're getting feedback straight away because you don't know what happened on, Tuesday, 11th of April. And if you do, fair play to you. All right. So we've entered now. All right. We've entered the trade with a view to potentially building it. So let's play it along now. All right. Just talk amongst yourselves. Okay. So now it's come back down into this level. I won't add to it yet because that's quite a bearish H1 candle. All right, but let's play it along, see what happens to the next candle. Okay, still fine, hasn't hit our stop loss yet. Okay, so now we're getting a nice reaction here. Let's look at the H4, see what that's doing. Okay, the H4 is not, but the H4 is still in an uptrend. Remember, guys, we are only wrong when it breaks this low. That's where my stop's at. Would I add to this? Probably not on the H4. If we go back to the H1, I would add to that because that would actually be an M15 structure break as well. Yeah, there you go, guys. If we drop down to the M15, yeah, we've had an M15 structure break. So I'm going to add to the trade here. Okay, so if we go back to the H1 now, we've had one entry here, yeah, and another entry here. All right, of the same value. So so let's zoom out a little bit. Yeah, so I've entered one here, one here. So my average price is around here, my stops here, and my targets here. Now, because I've built the trade, this risk to reward makes more sense. Okay. All right. So yeah, this is where we're at. And we're still, admittedly, guys, also H1 has broken down really, but H4 is still looking good. And here is our stop loss. Okay, now let's play this along. I don't know what will happen. Let's see. Might speed this up a bit because I'm probably not going to add any more positions to this. Okay, good. That's what we want to see, guys. Yeah, we're now seeing a break, yeah, of this level to the upside. That's what we wanted to see. Okay, but still messing about quite a bit. Talk amongst yourselves, but it'll be interesting to see how this plays out, guys. Got lots of sideways action here. But holding on to this level now, you can see. Okay, this is what we want to see. Break out of this area with a view to taking it. There you go. Bang, bang. We've hit target. All right, guys. So, yeah, you know, this wasn't rehearsed. As you saw, I pick it totally randomly, guys. And it's a really good exercise to help you trade in real time, understand what's happening with the candles, you know, and really practice price action, setting your support and resistance levels, targets to hit, etc. It's such a good tool for learning, guys. So if you've got this replay button on your trading view, then use it for this and practice. All right, guys, so I hope this tutorial helps. If it does, please smash the like button. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.